casual sex is destroying entire nations. The Match Group has systematically been buying up a majority stake in the world's online dating market. They use a multitude of different strategies to addict desperate young men, leading them to waste hours of their valuable time. Now, as I've already said, Tinder and other social media apps have caused the dating market to collapse. Online dating apps, especially Tinder, have a disproportionate ratio of men to women. For Tinder, there are 3 men to every woman, and so already this information should be telling you that the system is skewed against those men. This leads to many of these lonely men spending a good chunk of their money just to get more swipes, even though that will rarely do the trick.
You look like a good Joe.
This constant sedation of masculine instincts through Tinder is draining men of their masculine urges by providing a false sense of evolutionary success without any of the risk or endeavor that real sex requires. These men have become demotivated and weak.
Your